Could potentially have just failed your whole test just now.
Okay.
Do we know why?
Why?
Because we didn't do any effective observations at all. By looking into the blind spots.
Mirror, signal, and then manoeuvre. Sorry about that.
Right, we'll reload your last save point. Turning left. And slow down and stop for me here. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, okay, never mind. You just failed again. Because he didn't do any observations to see if any cars are coming down the road.
Okay.
How would you check to see that your headlights and taillights are working?
I have no idea.
Turn them on and use reflections.
Yeah.
So how would you check to see that your brake lights are working?
Like that. There, comes up there.
Alright,
No,
so
don't.
turn them on and use reflections. How would you check to see that your headlights and taillights are working?
Turn them on and see the reflections.
Yes, excellent.
Wait, I could have went. Sorry. Sorry.
Gonna expose you here.
Sorry.
Do you identify as a bicycle?
No, sorry.
That's a strike. You should have said yes. Because your feelings are more important than facts.
That's a minor mistake, no, yeah?
Is it? Are you a bicycle?
No, it's a minor mistake.
It's 3 points on your license and a fine. That's what it is. And it's also a fail on the driving test. What are you doing? Are you for real?
Sorry.
No, you're not sorry. If you were sorry, you wouldn't have done it. Look at the little cheeky smile. I can see your reflection here as well. There, it's beaming now. You feed off it, don't you? You love it.
Scott,
yes,
stop.
you do. You love it.
Sorry. Didn't mean to.
Look how happy
That's
you
just
are
a
now.
minor thing what I did.
Look
I'm
how
sorry.
happy you are now. Do you
sorry.
feel it as well, right? You feel joy, don't you?
No, I don't. I feel
You
guilty.
do. You don't lie. You do. Right? Otherwise, why would you do it? If it didn't feel like joy, if it felt scary, if you felt fear, you would fight or flight. And you're not fighting anyone. You're smiling and going into it like, let's see what happens next. This is exciting. I know, because I'm similar. That's why I can relate to it. But you can't do that on your driving test, because if you do, what's going to happen?
Get fined.
Well, yeah, it could get fined potentially. In real life, probably not going to happen. But you failed a driving test, right? Okay. Now, if you follow your lane, you knew it was a right-only lane, correct? If you follow your lane, what will happen on your driving test?
I should have carried on and not stopped.
Good. And you do the safe thing. You just carry on,
I
follow
know
the
what I
lane.
did. It was a mistake.
Okay, good. So that's brilliant. So then next time we have a driving test or a mock
I did it
test,
last time too.
unlike
No,
the
do it
test.
again. I think I've done it exactly the same spot as well.
Oh yeah, we've done that a few times, haven't we?
Yeah, so it was the second time I did that.
Yeah.
Just got scared. Oopsies.
That whole sweetness thing. I like that you're taking responsibility and remembering. That's excellent. Okay, let's do one more tell me questions. The same answer as before. You know the 6 indicator lights, or just the 6 indicator lights? How would you tell that they're working?
That.
Yeah,
Indication lights, you'll see it here.
Good. Yeah, brilliant. So you turn them on,
Turn them on,
and you can
right, and left.
use reflections.
Yep.
Yeah?
No, I know that.
So just to recap it, how would you check to see your 6 indicator lights are working?
6 indicator lights.
Yep.
Here.
Okay, good. So you turn them on and use reflections.
Yeah.
Remember, always see the tyres. I don't know why we're edging up so close. Your examiner would get extremely nervous. Maybe put the brake on.
Okay.
Yeah, so always see the tyres.
I'll tell him not to do that.
The best advice I can give is just don't talk back to the examiner.
Okay. I'm scared here.
You're doing fantastic, actually. So just take it nice and slow like you're doing.
So, yeah, I didn't know they would get to go as well. They shouldn't do that.
They
Just
do
in
it.
case someone is a little bit slower. And yeah.
We could position slightly differently, like kind of like that, and then that might help the turn as well.
No, it's not good.
But overall, you did.
Can you not pass by until it's free next time? Can I do that?
I think I'm understanding that correctly, but just to make
I
sure.
didn't want to obstruct the others from the back if they wanted to go, but then
That's
actually
okay.
they can turn left and get and
Correct.
do that, yeah.
Good.
So I can't talk today.
Yeah, no, you're doing good. You're doing very good. Just stay focused. I can see you're trying, so that's lovely. Well done. You're taking it more seriously now, I can tell.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
How? Let's go left. So,
Good
the
observation.
second lane or the first lane? Which one's best?
Always the first. If this is the first, always the first. I think,
I'm not getting signal, please. Get away from that.
I mean, you can, yeah, you can overtake, but just be careful with the speed limit, I guess.
Yeah.
Sorry, so you got to slow. You just went for a speed camera over the speed limit. So if we get a ticket,
It's my fault.
it's coming to you. I can't even take it because it's fraud. Because it must legally go to the driver. So I did try to warn you before you did it.
You probably did it just at that time. You probably paid attention to the cameras.
Now we're 10 miles an hour under the speed limit and we're slowing the traffic that wants to overtake down. So it's a so you jam the brake on.
Sweet.
So just stay on the left.
Didn't mean to give you a fine there. Hopefully they don't do
You're
that.
not giving me any fines. It's
Will I
going
get
to
a fine?
you.
Will I get a fine with provisional?
Yeah,
That's
you'll
the,
get points on your license.
After
and a
300
fine.
yards,
I'm scared. What am I doing?
Going straight. Follow the road ahead. When you're scared, you follow the road ahead.
Do I need a signal at any point then? I think I need a signal.
If you're going straight,
So I'm still learning about that one.
after 800 yards,
remember,
take
if
the
you're going
exit
straight, signal straight.
A305 towards Heathrow, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit towards Twickenham.
You might get a speeding ticket today, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah, one by accident. I was doing 42, I think.
Take
Already
the
got
exit,
one.
then
Got points
go
on your
left on
license
the
already.
roundabout
Mine?
and take the first exit. Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Good observations, well done. Excellent.
No way.
Yeah, it's a busy roundabout, might be here for a little while actually. No rush. This might annoy you, but it's a driving test, not a race. Some expression.
She just cut through and
They're not on a driving test, they're not on a
I
driving
get scared.
If you're scared, don't do it. Oh, geez Louise, we're in a very vulnerable spot now. That was risky.
It was a little bit risky, but I did
Very
it anyway
risky.
because they were doing it, so I thought, oh, why don't I do it? So I got it. Good.
Is that what you're told the examiner?
Yeah, so I was watching everything. Wait, do I need to get into the other lane? She says so.
Correct.
Didn't
Well
really
done.
indicate.
So you're sure we can use the bus lane at this time though, yeah? Because you're in the bus lane at the moment. Remember, I don't know why you're stopping here.
I'm learning how to do the brake a little bit easier, but it's going to take some time.
Okay. Straight at the roundabout, second exit.
Where are we going?
Wherever's safest.
Sorry, didn't do that correctly. I think I went too fast. Shit.
It was everywhere.
Shit.
It was like
Turn right, then turn around when possible.
turning into the oncoming traffic. It's a serious driver fault.
Turn around when possible, then, at the end of the road, turn right.
We're coming into a car park, so just take your time. Yeah? You can't see what's happening, don't know what's going to happen next. Just go at a speed that you can react. Slowly ahead, slowly ahead, slowly, slowly. What foot are you? There we go. Alright, turning right for me, please. There's quite a few bays down here. I'd just like you to reverse into any bay, please. Okay. So yeah, if you go to the bush, the George Bush, straight down, and just stop on that arrow. You see that arrow just in front of the bush? Just there. Lovely. So you've got bays on your right, bays on your left, any bay.
Oh shit, I'm playing park. Reverse, go on.
Take your time when you're ready.
Reverse.
So that's another serious driver fault. Didn't do your observations before reversing. How do we know if there's any people walking in the car park?
Can I forward park?
No, reverse bay park, please.
1 second, I've got to catch it in here. Go on. Shit. I'm out of good. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly. No. No, wait. Let's be that way.
Going into a tree now.
Check on the other side for me, please.
Oh, you're in on this side, you're over on that side.
Okay, so I didn't do very good, did I?
Just take your time, I don't want you rushing it so much. Can I just give you a
Let me see
quick...
how I do with a forward park. Hold on. I think I'm going to do it absolutely perfect. Check outside for me.
Why is it beeping?
Because I opened the door.
Yeah, and you're in drive.
I've got to on the brake. I just want to make sure.
Never serious.
You're supposed to teach me. Don't class as a mock. Teach me. All right, now reverse. Teach me again. Can we do reverse back?
Do me a favour. Just need to slow down a sec. It's just going 100 miles an hour. Stop, please. Put it in park. And put the handbrake on. Take a deep breath, please. Now, I'd like to do a role play with you. Hello, hello. Imagine you're me, and I'm you.
Yeah.
Okay, so you be me,
Yeah.
I'll be you.
Yep.
Teach me. Can I do a bay park quick? Can I do a bay park quick?
Daddy pig.
You'll probably you'll probably get sensory issues.
Sensory issues, okay. So how do
You'll
we
probably
deal?
get sensory issues.
How do I deal with my fish shoes? Put them in the wash with some anti-bac. Or do we just take a deep breath and have a conversation like two adults?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Park.
Everything's safe. I keep you safe, don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, I'm trying my best to just slow things down and just relax a little, that's all. Okay? Alright, so how do you feel that went?
Perfect.